Hi everyone, this is Subhashri, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from SNS College of Technology. In my today's lecture series, we are going to discuss about the topic tree editing and how it will be used with the Python language code that will be seen in the upcoming slides. So before starting this video, let me recall the last topics which we have discussed already. That is the data structure, which have two types of data structure, linear and non-linear data structure. In the linear data structure, we have different types like array, stack, queue, and linked list. And non-linear, we have two types around graphs and tree editing. So in this video, we'll see in the ADT how we'll store the values elements in the linked list, and also how recursion will be used for the traversal. These two topics will be discussed in depth. So the topics we are going to empathize today are: first, what for we are using the tree, and what are the tree ADT fundamentals, and what are the terminologies we have under the tree ADT, and why tree traversal, which we are using on the real world. These are the topics we are going to discuss. So let's explore this. First thing, naturally, how tree is used in nature. Tree which has branches, leaves, first we'll have the root, and from root it will grow up and we'll have the branches and we'll have the leaves, and we have different hierarchical levels. Same as in tree editing, how the tree is being defined in the computer sciences. First we'll have the root node, and we'll have the edges, and we'll have the child nodes, and we'll have a unique path for each and every node. This is how the tree is identified. So the tree in the real world nature, which is upside down in the computer science, right? So what are the different in a digital world? How will empathize the trees for the file system? For example, how will represent the data in the file system? I will have different selective folders, and with that help of folders, we'll store our data, right? So same as in the organization hierarchy, the employee first will have the head level, and after that we'll have separate teams with separate team leaders or team level, and after that we'll have staff or employee levels, and after that we'll have non-working staffs with it. So this is how the hierarchy follow up. But in programming language, we'll have the nodes. First we'll start from the root node. After that, from class, object, and all the hierarchies will be followed. So in the tree ADT hierarchy in data structure, we'll have finite number of nodes which will be connected to the edges. First we'll have the root node, and the cycle will be followed up. So the first starting node will be considered as a root node. After that we will have a parent node. The relationship with parent will have a child node. After that, the hierarchy follows in 2D data structure, right? We will have given an example for electronics. Electronics are this, how the major levels are being separated from root level to the last child level, as we treated up here. So in the tree terminology, as we have mentioned earlier, we'll have a root node, and then we'll have parent node. After that, we'll have child node. From the child node, we'll have siblings, and we'll have edges, leaves, and we'll have some internal structure inside it. After that, we'll separate it as the degree, height, and depth. So this is how the tree data structure is being separated. And how we are mapping these roles. First we'll from the root node till the sibling node, it will be mapped. So the types of trees which we have are binary tree, ternary tree, and n-ary tree. So these are the types. First, binary means we'll have only at most 2 children, and the ternary means each node will have at most 2 to 3 children, and the n-ary means we will have many number of children in each and every node. This is how it is being separated. And what are the types we have on this BTT, that is binary tree traversal? We'll have in order, pre-order, and post-order. In the in order, we'll start the process from the left node, and we'll move on to the root, and then to the right. In pre-order, it will start from the root node, and will traverse to the left node, and will just move on to the right side. In the post-order traversal, we'll just start from the left node, and we'll just move to the right node, and after that we'll reach the root node. This is how the tree traversal is being done. Okay, next, applications in the tree in the real world. We have a separate data systems. For the data system, B trees and B plus trees are used for the MySQL, PostSQL languages for writing the queries. And for programming compilers, we'll pass the trees which will convert the code into executable instructions. And AI decision making, will have a decision trees with the help of AI smart thinking choices. And game AI also will use this tree concept for the power of chess engines, and also for some strategy game AIs. So let us summarize this. We have started from the tree terminologies and we have seen what are the types of tree terminologies and how the tree will be traversed and what are the applications. This is how the topic which we have discussed. So here is a curiosity challenge. Just see to this question. Try to answer in the comment box. So these are the assessment questions. Just think what will be the answer. Okay, I'll show you the answer, what it is. Both we have root directory and in order is considered as the answers. So these are the reference materials you can refer for. Thank you all. Let us see on the next lecture series.